What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. It's a return visit, literally 3 years on at this place. There's caravans, there's wifey, look, there she is, it's happening. Static caravan, got a touring caravan here. This little old Eldest, this used to be open, it used to be full of like old clocks and antiques. Probably stolen by now, no doubt. Don't know if it is still open. Nah, it's locked. It's just pretty good to see. Oh man, it's all been trashed and vandalised. I know it's a reflection, that's hard to see in there. Got another old caravan over here, which is like something straight out the 60s, I'd say. Pemberton, still make them today, which is pretty cool. If I remember rightly, the floors are just gone in this. There wasn't a whole lot to see in it. But this time the floor, the ceiling's in as well then. I can't explain to you how spongy that is. What do you think? We've had a small dining area here, seating area here. Crazy. Little kitchen. Oh, HP ketchup. That doesn't look very ketchupy anymore, does it? Got some little cups as well. Oh, fire extinguisher. Amazing. And then just one bedroom at the back. Although, toilet right next to kitchen. Cleanliness vibes. Doesn't really go, does it? It's a bit trashed up in there. But let's go and have a little nosy at the little house. Because I think I called it the vicar's house before previously. Or something along those lines. Because there was a picture of a priest or vicar up in there. There was old little clocks in there. There was a big piano in there. There was all sorts. Now, I have read reports and seen other explorers go there, and the place is looking pretty much trashed, which is a big shame. I wonder if it's still open or not. There we go. Yeah, that is sad to see. Wow. Literally, I'm going to put a link in the description of this place from 3 years ago. This was pristine even. I tell you what, I can't even speak today. Jesus. This place was pristine, which is a shame to see. The organ is still there. That taxidermy was up on the shelf. There's a lovely little fireplace there. There's all sorts of bits. Trinkets are still there. But it's, yeah, it's a hell of a shame. Little keys. I'm not even going to bother going through there. But what a waste. What a shame. Little stained glass butterflies as well. Because originally I thought this place was two locations. Well, two houses back in the day. It wasn't, it's one, it goes right through. Let's just close that like we left it. It looks like two, but an extension at some point. But there we go, that's a little explore, it's a little salmon, it's a revisit. It's a shame to see it looking like it is, but nonetheless, a lot more stuff coming soon. Take care, boosh.